Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a solution to being able the copying the all components of an object and paste it for another object. Imagine we have two objects. From object 1 we want to completely copy the components of object 1 and paste it on object 2. Okay. Here, Freecons released this script components copier. Here I will share the link of this script on the description of this video. You just need to make a C# script with the name components copier. After that, duplicate the whole script from here until the endif and paste on your C# script. Remember, this script only works on Unity editor. It doesn't work on runtime or after you built the APK or application or software assembly. Okay, after you do that, for example, I already duplicated here. It is component copier. Here, the structure is here. Look at this. And the game object tab, the game object drop down. Here we can see copy all components and paste all components, or Control Alt C and Control Alt P. Okay, but how it works? For example, I click on camera object, just this guy, camera object, and after that I copy all components. After here I click on the next object, the destination object, and come over here, paste all components. Look at this. Now we have camera, webcam, and compositor. Look at this. It is all three components of this object except transform. It copies every component except transform. Okay, I hope this short tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.